Hello everybody. Welcome back to Learn on the Go. Today's discussion will be on an author's purpose. We will be discussing why an author writes his or her text. An author's purpose is as easy as a pie. P-I-E. P is to persuade, I is to inform, and E is to entertain. So, an author writes a text either to persuade, to inform, or to entertain. What does it mean to persuade the reader? Does the author write, "I will persuade you from this text"? No, he doesn't. An author uses special language to persuade. To persuade means to change your opinion about something when you read the text. And when you read the text, it will convince you. So, did the author change your opinion? Did the author convince you when you read the text? Yes? Oh, then the author's purpose is to persuade the reader. So, let's see how an author can persuade you. Let's start from here. Eat more fruit. Eat a lot of fruit. They are one of many healthy foods. Eating fruit will give you vitamins that will make your skin glow. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Eating fruit will keep you healthy and add more benefits. So, eat more fruit. Now, the author tried to convince you to eat more fruit. So, did the author change your opinion about what you think about fruit? Did the author convince you to eat more fruit? Oh, then the author's purpose was to persuade you. Next, let's say no to plastic. Say no to plastic. Our oceans get dumped with millions and millions of plastic each day. Would you wish to see all the sea creatures go extinct? Do you know that a plastic bottle takes over a few centuries to decay? Will you be a party to destroying this beautiful earth? So, was the text able to convince you to either reduce using plastic or say completely no to plastic? I guess yes, because it changed your opinion by giving reasons why you should not use plastic. Okay, next one. Make your holiday fun. Make your holiday fun. Why do we go on holiday? Yes, to relax. But relaxing and having fun will give you the perfect holiday. Grab your guitar. Sit under a coconut tree in the warm sun while humming your rhyme to the melody of the sea waves. So, what was the purpose of the author? The author's purpose was to convince you in taking a nice and perfect holiday. So, P is to persuade. Always think, did the author change your opinion? Did the author convince you? Then, the author's purpose is to persuade. Next, we have P-I-E, persuade, inform. To inform means that the author teaches something or the author explains something and give facts. So, when you read a text and if you get to know something that you didn't know before, the author's purpose was to inform. And when you read a book and if it teaches you how to do something, then the author's purpose is to inform. If a text contains factual information about something, that the author's purpose is to inform you. So, a book that has recipes, that the author's purpose is to inform you because it teaches you how to cook. A report on global warming. If you didn't know the information about global warming before, and if you read this report, then the purpose of the author is to inform you because it's giving you information. Next, If you read a book about the solar system, it teaches you something, doesn't it? So, what is the purpose of the author? To inform the reader. What if you read a book about Albert Einstein? Yeah, the author gives you information about Albert Einstein, about his life. So, you are learning something new. Right, so what does it mean to inform? Did the author teach you something? Did the author explain something and give facts? Then, the purpose of the author is to inform. Here we have PIE, persuade, inform, and entertain. So, what does it mean to entertain? What is an author's purpose when it is to entertain? How do you know that? Well, did the author make you laugh? Did the author tell you a story with character settings and a plot? Well, then the purpose of the author was to entertain. If you read a book about a bear who celebrates the birthday and says thank you to your friends, then the author's purpose was to entertain. If you read a book that had magic like Harry Potter, abracadabra, then the purpose of the author was to entertain. What do you think is an author's purpose of writing a book that has a turtle who turns into a gigantic dinosaur in the evening? To entertain. So, now you know an author's purpose is as easy as a pie. P is to persuade, I is to inform, and E is to entertain. Goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you think you learned something, and if you think you like the video, make sure you like it and share it around with your friends. Also, please subscribe to our channel, Learn on the Go, and turn on the notifications. Be notified when there is a new video coming up. So, get ready to learn more with Learn on the Go. Bye, guys!